It's now 1 week to Somalia's presidential election, but not everyone has the right to vote. 275 members of parliament are expected to elect the leader of Somalia's post-transition dispensation. However, there is concern about whether the strict timeline is being adhered to. CCTV's Mohammed Hirmoge tells us more.
5 days before the official lapse of the term of the transitional federal government, Mogadishu gets into campaign frenzy. The 135 traditional elders tasked with the selection of Somalia's post-transition parliament are still holed up in deliberations to finalize the members of the august house.
The time is not our side. It's very critical. We have only a few days left, and it's impossible, to sworn in the member of parliament and elect the Speaker of the House at the same time, elect the President.
President Sharif Ahmed, in what pundits call bluff, reiterated that the transition must end at the stipulated time, August 20th. The candidacy of the three key officials in the TFG, the President, Prime Minister and the House Speaker, comes in the context of their plan to retain power after the current transition dispensation. President Sharif has come under heavy criticism for using state resources to finance his campaigns. The Prime Minister and the House Speaker have as well been criticized by the other contenders for using state media, finance and security for their campaigns.
That's not fair for other candidates. The way we see it is anytime they become a candidate, they should resign before they become a candidate. Because of one reason, they are a candidate, but at the same time they're retaining their spot. So they're not using their own actually money. It seems to us they're using Somalian government money.
The clan elders are submitting the names of the members to sit in the House gradually. Some of the members already forwarded by the elders have been rejected by the Technical Selection Committee, the body mandated to vet the members to sit in the House. According to the Technical Selection Committee, those members were rejected on the grounds of having taken significant part in the past chaos. Though the international community has called upon the transitional federal government of Somalia to end the current dispensation on time, it is quite unlikely that Somalia will have a new dispensation by August 20th, given the pace with which the selection of parliament by the clan elders is going. Mohammed Hirmoge, CCTV, Mogadishu.